Arise, awake, and stop not till the ultimate goal is reached. Unquote. Respected House, one of the esteemed member from the opposition explained about the theory of Margaret Thatcher. But it was Margaret Thatcher who himself stated that welfare schemes to an extent is adequate, but excessive welfare schemes on one hand becomes a symbol for political populism and on the other hand becomes a burden of fiscal. And this fiscal burden leads to fiscal deficit, where this fiscal deficit creates economic instability, and this economic instability eventually leads to financial dependency. Similarly, respected speaker persons, the same member from the opposition also explained about the demography of development and welfare, but fails to distinguish between development and welfare. Where development stands for capacity building, welfare stands for direct assistance. And therefore, respected speaker person, in accordance to this, Sukriti Parker stated that welfare does not lead to development, rather development leads to welfare, and therefore the immense implementation of welfare schemes would directly create a culture of generic dependency. Similarly, respected speaker person, the same member from the opposition also explained about MGNREGA, but it was under MGNREGA where several regions have been reportedly fallen acute shortage of labor during the peak agricultural seasons, where they have failed and they have demanded subsidies over employment, and this demanding of subsidies over employment reduces skills, and this reducing of skills reduces development and eventually increases dependency. And understanding this, standing in full favor of the bill proposed by the leader of the Treasury today. Greetings, respected speaker person and the August House. Today I take my firm stand in full favor of the bill. Now moving on to my constructive arguments, my arguments consist of the following few divisions, and within this stipulated time I'm going to convince the House that supporting this bill today is the true win of this discussion and definitely the very true win of the nation. Respected House, the first argument talks about administrative dependency and judicial dependency. Respected speaker person, to implement a welfare scheme, this to a larger extent is dependent on its administration and its bureaucrats. And as per the 2024 perception survey, the respondents claim that 48% of the bureaucrats today are not transparent and are thereby corrupted. And therefore, respected speaker person, under the National Rural Health Mission from 2010 to 2012 in Uttar Pradesh, there has been severe misuse of funds, direct threat to the maternal health and childbirth. And this has not just created a culture of dependency on the bureaucrats, but eventually created a culture of trapped dependency. And therefore, respected House, this has eventually led to this entire loop of dependency, thereby enrolling. Similarly, respected speaker person, under the public distribution system, this due to efficiency delays and errors, this has made the people move to courts, where the people now are dependent on the judiciary, and therefore this has entirely created a culture of diversification of dependency, and thereby understanding this, respected speaker person, standing in full favor of the bill proposed by the leader of the Treasury today. And even after this, if the esteemed members of the opposition do not agree, then let me clarify that denying the truth does not change the truth. Respected speaker person, the third argument talks about the historical reforms. Since after independence from 1947, the influential welfare schemes are primarily being controlled under the committee of the central government, where the state government and the local self-government, that is the municipalities and the panchayats, are not even enrolled and are not even a part of those controlling of the central government. And therefore, respected speaker person, where the local self-government and the state government is itself dependent on the central government, this entirely makes the common people also being dependent on the government due to the repetitive welfare schemes. And therefore, respected speaker person, towards the end, I would like to request the House to decide wisely, because in your decision rests the very future of the nation. And even after this, they do not agree, then let me urge them in the words of Swami Vivekananda, who once stated, and I quote, "Arise, awake, and stop not till the ultimate goal is reached." Unquote. Thank you.